Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer backup from one account to another Google account in WhatsApp. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp account. Go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Go ahead and click on settings. Scroll down right here. Click on chats. Scroll down right here. Chat backup. Select Google account. Click on add account. Then verify your identity. Then enter your Google account detail right here. Then click on next. Enter the Google account password. And click on next. Then go ahead and click on I agree. Then go ahead and click on skip. Authenticating with Google. Allow the authenticate to complete. And here you go. Every backup on this particular WhatsApp will be redirected to the new account we just added for this particular backup. It's that simple. For us to set up the backup, we want to make sure we click on automatic backup right here. Then we can choose either daily backup, or better still, we can decide to choose monthly, weekly, as the case may be. So in this regard, I'm going to put it in daily backup. Having set up my daily backup, then I come down below right here and make sure I turn on this, just like so. And then we want to make sure that, we click on Google account. Then we want to make sure that we choose this new Google account right here, authenticating. Then lastly, we go ahead and click on backup now. Backing up messages, please wait, and all the backup from this WhatsApp chat will be redirected to the new Google account that we just added into this WhatsApp account. After a successful backup your chat, next thing you want to do is to exit from your WhatsApp right here, and then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Drive. Go ahead and click on three slider. Then click on storage. Scroll down right here. Click on clean up space. And scroll down right here. Click on WhatsApp. And here we go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on manage on WhatsApp. Then go ahead and click on Google account. Select the new Google account you just added. And this is going to pump up right here. Scroll down right here and then go ahead and hit on continue. Boom. You have successfully changed and migrate your WhatsApp backup to a new Google account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.